On Monday morning, we arrived at the Neutral Buoyancy Lab, which houses a training pool that simulates the low-gravity, near-weightless environment of space. The 202 by 102 by 40-foot pool is used by several agencies to acclimate their astronauts to space conditions using underwater mock-ups of the International Space Station. We were guided by 2 NBL divers who informed us about the amazing details of daily life in the facility.
On Wednesday, students had the opportunity to explore the Saturn V rocket while receiving a tour from none other than Norm Chafee, a propulsion scientist who worked on the rocket himself. Students used the information to aid them in their research for their own building process. They also learned about the logistics of the Apollo missions and how engineers worked to tackle problems they faced along the way.
Will Tom Sheet, Team Alpha. We're launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
During the rocket launch and design project, Haas students worked to create a hypothesis as to which conditions and variables would produce the most successful launch. Students built control components and modified others to test their hypothesis. Some teams decided on changing the fin shape, fin length, or body height. They learned how to utilize special devices for calculating the angle of the rocket's peak altitude and compared the tested results to their hypothesized results.
Another challenge that was presented to the Haas students was to design a lander that could protect a payload by slowing its descent given a particular acceleration of 85 meters per second squared. Teams designed landers featuring supports and parachutes to meet design constraints and to create the most effective method of decreasing the mechanism's acceleration.
If you want a career in STEM, intern. Don't worry about extending graduation dates. Having practical experience in your field before finishing school is incredibly valuable, and in some cases, the only way you will land a job after you graduate. has changed my life. It showed me how I could make a career out of math and science that I was excelling at in high school, and showed me a path to a career at NASA.
On behalf of the NASA High School Aerospace Scholars Program, we'd like to give a special thank you to our sponsors, the State of Texas, the Houston Livestock and Rodeo, Rotary NASA, and the University of Houston.